Writing a professional white paper used to take weeks of research and design, but we're changing the game today. I'm going to show you how to generate a data-backed, high-authority white paper in minutes using Vengage's brand new AI tools. If you're a founder or a marketer looking to establish thought leadership without the massive overhead, this workflow is your new secret weapon. Let's dive in. This is Vengage, and Vengage lets you go from a single prompt to a stunning, professional design in just minutes. You spend less time creating and more time impressing your audience. Let me show you a demo here. So let's go ahead and create a white paper. We've pasted in a little bit of a prompt here to show exactly what we want. So we can see it's not super detailed, but it's not super vague either. And all we're gonna do is press Generate Design. And then in no time at all, we can see that this tool is perfect for B2B content marketing and technical thought leadership. The AI handles the heavy lifting of the structure and the layout, allowing users to focus on high-level strategy rather than formatting. Here we can see we have our entire white paper written for us. So this is really built for professional use, not just basic templates. Now let's talk customization. You can customize your designs directly inside the editor. You can rewrite copy, generate icons, and create images without leaving your workflow. There's also the Smart Suggestions feature that provides instant design tips and inspiration. This is like having your own design employee helping you every step of the way. And every element inside this is fully editable to fit a specific brand niche. And that's more than I can say for other AI writers. So here we can select a paragraph and we can go with AI rewrites and actually go ahead and adjust the tone for a more professional or executive audience. Now, there are other tools such as the icon generator. Now, this will actually create unique brand visuals for your data points, and you can use these smart suggestions to find the best layout improvements for your specific content. Here we can see we've generated custom visuals on the fly, and we can just place that anywhere inside our document. And we can also fix spelling and grammar simply by selecting a paragraph, and then it's going to correct it directly inside the platform for us. This, from my experience using many different AI platforms, is incredibly unique. Vengage is the leader in accessible design, with built-in features like the AI-powered accessibility checker, ensuring your visuals are inclusive and WCAG compliant. So for corporate white papers, accessibility is often a legal and professional requirement. The platform includes alt text support and color contrast checkers, as well as screen reader compatibility. Here we can see we are checking the design simply by pressing a button, and then it's going to analyze everything for us and even show us issues that we could potentially change. So we can select one of these. In this case, we need alt text with our image, and then it's going to generate that for us. Once we're done, we can see all issues have been resolved and our document is ready to go. Once we're happy, we simply press the download button. Then we can start sharing that with our colleagues. We can choose PNG, PDF, PowerPoint, or even custom pages to send to specific people. Now, if you want to check this out for yourself, you can actually register for free to unlock unlimited access to over 100 different AI design generators with weekly additions of new tools. They're constantly adding new generators, so the value of your account actually grows over time. So, if you're ready to level up your content strategy, click the link in the description and try the AI white paper generator for free. If you want the full experience, use my code FUTUA150 to get 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or Business. That's going to be it for me. I will see you guys in the next video.